You need to hear this if you're a YouTuber looking to boost your game. Get ready for some golden tips. First up, plan your content. This is the foundation of a great video. Jot down a script and list your key points. It keeps your video focused and engaging. Next, lighting is everything. Good lighting can make a huge difference. Natural light works wonders, but if you're filming indoors, invest in some affordable softbox lights. Sound quality, super important. Use a good microphone. Even your phone mic can be a game changer. Clear audio keeps viewers engaged. And don't forget to edit. Editing can transform your raw footage into a polished video. Trim those awkward pauses and add some fun elements like text or effects. Finally, consistency is key. Upload regularly and always engage with your audience in the comments. Building a community is crucial. Now go out there and create some awesome content. Happy filming. Remember, practice makes perfect. Let's dive deeper. Analyze successful videos in your niche. What makes them stand out? Is it the thumbnail, the title, or the content itself? Thumbnails and titles are your first impression. Make them eye-catching and relevant. Use bold text and high-quality images. Stay on top of trends. Create content around trending topics to increase your chances of being discovered. Collaborate with other creators. This can introduce your channel to a new audience and boost your reach. Promote your videos on social media. Share them on the platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to drive more traffic. Use analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Adjust your strategy based on the data. Take, for example, the case of a YouTuber who went viral by tapping into a trending challenge. They analyzed what was popular, created high-quality content, and promoted it effectively. Engage with your audience through live streams and Q&A sessions. This builds a stronger connection and keeps viewers coming back. Celebrate milestones and thank your audience. Show appreciation for their support. Keep innovating and experimenting with new ideas. The more you create, the better you'll get. Now go out there and create some awesome content. Happy filming! Remember, practice makes perfect.